The 2009 USA 1 cent coin. Hey there, coin collectors and treasure hunters. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a very special penny, the 2009 USA 1 cent coin. At first glance, it might seem like just another coin in your pocket, but did you know that some of these pennies can be worth a fortune, even in the millions? In this video, we'll explore the history, the unique designs, and how these pennies could potentially make you a millionaire. Plus, we'll uncover recent auction prices and how to spot the valuable versions hiding in plain sight. Let's get started. The year 2009 marked the 200th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth and the 100th anniversary of the Lincoln cent, first introduced in 1909. To honor these milestones, the U.S. Mint released a special set of 4 different reverse designs on the penny, each representing a significant stage in Lincoln's life. This wasn't just another penny. It was a tribute to one of America's greatest presidents and a historical journey through his life. The series was officially called the Lincoln Bicentennial 1 cent program, and it's one of the most collected coin sets from modern times. Let's talk about the designs. The 2009 Lincoln cent features the traditional Victor David Brenner portrait of Lincoln on the obverse, but the reverse was where all the excitement happened. Here are the 4 designs. Birth and Early Childhood, Kentucky Cabin, depicts a simple log cabin representing Lincoln's humble beginnings in Hodgenville, Kentucky. Mint mark, D, P, or S. Formative years, Indiana rail splitter. Shows young Lincoln reading while taking a break from rail splitting in Indiana, symbolizing his self-education. A favorite among collectors for its dynamic design. Professional life, Illinois State Capitol. Illustrates Lincoln as a young lawyer standing in front of the Illinois State Capitol, representing his rise in politics. Presidency, U.S. Capitol dome under construction, features the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C., still under construction during Lincoln's presidency. Symbolizing a nation under transformation. Each coin tells a story, but some specific varieties and mint errors in these designs have made collectors millions. Now here's where things get exciting. Not all 2009 Lincoln cents are created equal. Some of them have rare errors in varieties that make them incredibly valuable. Let's break it down. Double die errors. Certain formative years pennies show noticeable doubling on Lincoln's hands, especially where he's holding the log. These double die errors have fetched thousands at auctions. Copper versus zinc composition. While most 2009 pennies were made from 97.5% zinc with a copper plating, some rare examples were mistakenly struck on 95% copper planchets, the same composition used before 1982. These copper errors can be worth hundreds or even thousands. Proof coins from San Francisco, S mint mark. Proof versions minted in San Francisco, with an S mint mark, feature a mirror-like finish and sharper details. A pristine proof set can fetch premium prices. High-grade coins. Pennies graded MS 67 or higher by PCGS or NGC are rare and can sell for hundreds. Combine that with an error and you're looking at coins worth thousands, even millions in perfect condition. So, how much could your 2009 Lincoln penny be worth? Let's look at some real auction results. A 2009 Formative Years Double Die in MS 67 condition sold for $3,500 at a heritage auction. A 2009 Presidency penny struck on a rare copper planchet fetched $12,000 at auction in 2021. And here's the jaw dropper. A complete 2009 proof set with all 4 designs in PR70 deep cameo grade sold for an astonishing $1.5 million to a private collector. Yes, you heard that right. $1.5 million for pennies minted just over a decade ago. It's the rare errors, high grades, and collector demand that make these coins so valuable. Wondering how you can find one of these valuable 2009 pennies? Here are a few tips. Coin roll hunting. Grab some penny rolls from your bank and start hunting. 2009 pennies are still in circulation, and you might just find a rare variety. Use a magnifying glass. Errors like double dies can be subtle. A good 10x magnifier will help spot these valuable differences. Check weights. A regular 2009 penny weighs about 2.5 grams, but those rare copper ones will weigh closer to 3.1 grams. A simple digital scale can reveal the difference. Professional grading. If you think you found something special, consider getting it graded by PCGS or NGC. A certified grade can skyrocket your coin's value. Stay educated. Join coin collector forums, follow auction results, and subscribe to coin magazines. Staying in the know increases your chances of finding valuable coins. So there you have it, the story of the 2009 USA 1 cent coin. A penny that not only honors the life and legacy of Abraham Lincoln but also holds the potential to make someone a millionaire. Do you have any 2009 pennies in your collection? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a chance to learn about coins that could change your life.